Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook brick mushroom patty burger in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can cook many new special food. One of them brick mushroom patty burger like this, and to cook it is very easy. First, just go to your stove. And then just use the brick mushroom patty burger like this, and then in here you need wheat and then brick meat patty that you can buy it from the NPC Massimo, and then you need mushroom, any mushroom, and then just start cooking. And okay, like this, you will successfully cook this brick mushroom patty burger. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.